चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Now, viewers, we are getting in big breaking news. In fact, the Pune VVIP murder case, NCP's Ajit Pawar has confirmed Sunil Tingray's involvement in the case. He said that Tingray was at the police station on the night of the killing after someone called him. However, he's not sure who it was. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
काय आता मी पण बारामतीचा 32 वर्ष आमदार आहे। आम्ही कामामुळे मुंबईमध्ये असतो, पुण्यामध्ये असतो, आम्ही मतदारसंघात नसतो। जे आमदार आहेत ते बहुतेक मतदारसंघात असतात, शहरी भागातले पण आमदार मतदारसंघात असतात। त्यांच्या भागामध्ये जर एखादी गोष्ट घडली तर आमदाराला रात्री अपरात्री तिथं जावं लागतं। पाठीमागच्या काळामध्ये त्याच सुनील टिंगरेंच्या भागामध्ये एक स्लॅब का काहीतरी कोसळलं होतं, तुम्हाला आठवत असेल, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काही जण निष्पाप लोक मृत्युमुखी पडली। ताबडतोब तो त्या ठिकाणी पोचला आणि त्याबद्दलची जे काही लोकप्रतिनिधी या नात्याने ज्या गोष्टी करायच्या असतात ते करतात। दुसरी गोष्ट, ज्यावेळेस आपल्यामध्ये पुण्यामध्ये पूर येतो किंवा आणखीन काही घटना घडतात त्याही वेळेस हे पुण्यातले बहुतेक लोकप्रतिनिधी ताबडतोब त्यांच्या कार्यकर्त्यांना, त्यांच्या सहकाऱ्यांना घेऊन त्या ठिकाणी पुढे येतात आणि त्याच्यामध्ये मदत करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात, चौकशी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात। जे काही दोषी असतील त्यांच्यावर कारवाई करा अशा पद्धतीनं ते त्या ठिकाणी सांगतात। ही घटना घडली, ही रात्री उशिरा घडलेली। उशिरा बहुतेक जर आपण सगळेजण झोपलेला असतो, त्यांना कुणाचा तरी फोन आला। आता फोन कुणाचा आला, काय आला, त्यांनी त्याच्याबद्दल सांगितलेलं आहे आणि त्याच्यातनं तो पोलीस स्टेशनमध्ये आला आणि पोलीस स्टेशनमध्ये त्यांनी ती सगळी गोष्ट पाहिली। त्यांनी कुठंही कुणाला पाठीशी घाला अशा पद्धतीनं सांगितलं नाही। त्या संदर्भामध्ये कुणीही, आता काही जण तर माझ्यावरच घसरले। वास्तविक तुम्ही सगळे मीडिया मला ओळखता, मला माझ्या जवळच्या कार्यकर्ता चुकला ना आला तरी मी तिथं जर तो चुकीचा वागलेला असेल, कायदा हातामध्ये घेण्याचा प्रयत्न त्यांनी केलेला असेल तर मी स्वतः जाहीर भाषणामध्ये पण सांगतो आणि अधिकाऱ्यांना पण सांगतो, संबंधितांना टायरमध्ये घ्या आणि जे काही नियमानिक कारवाई असेल ती त्या ठिकाणी करा। याबद्दल शेवटी आमदार म्हणून, मंत्री म्हणून किंवा लोकप्रतिनिधी म्हणून ज्या ज्या काही गोष्टी असतात त्या त्यांच्या कानावर आल्यानंतर असं कोणी केलं का की याच्यामध्ये ते प्रकरण दाबायचा प्रयत्न केला, घटना घडल्यानंतर ते काय ते तुमचं गुन्हा दाखल करण्याच्या करता जी कारवाई पोलिसांनी करायला पाहिजे ती करून दिली नाही वगैरे, असं काही झालेलं नाही। सगळी गोष्ट ज्या त्या पद्धतीनं झालेली आहे, परंतु ह्याच्यात काही वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटचे लोकांनी चुका केल्या। ह्या चुका लक्षात आल्यानंतर चौकशीमध्ये त्यांच्यावर जी कारवाई करायला पाहिजे होती त्या डिपार्टमेंटच्या वरिष्ठांनी ती कारवाई केलेली आहे।
तुम्हाला कुठले मल्टिपल कॉल्स आलेत वगैरे नाही? तुम्ही सीपींना काहीतरी खूप कॉल केले म्हणे, असं काहीतरी?
मी सीपींना वरचेवर फोन करत असतो काही ना काही कामाच्या निमित्तानं। या केसमध्ये मी सीपींना फोन केलेला नाही, कारण माझं सीपींचं केस झाली किंवा त्याच्यानंतर मी होतो कुठं मी सीपींना सांगितलेलं नाही। मी सीपींना सांगितलं असतं तर मी बोललो असतो ना की मी सीपींना फोन, आणि जर मी यदा कदाचित फोन केला असता तर मी काय सांगितलं असतं की अशा अशा पद्धतीनं पुण्यामध्ये घडलेलं आहे, जे कोणी दोषी असतील त्यांच्यावर कारवाई करा, दोषी असल्यावर कारवाई करा, हे सरकारमधल्या लोकप्रतिनिधींचं सांगणं कामच आहे।
All right, huge development, of course. Let's go across Guinea to Sandeep, who's joining us from Pune. Sandeep, once again, translate for us what Ajit Pawar had to say, one. And also the question here being that why is Sunil Tingray not speaking for himself? It's Ajit Pawar who's speaking for his party's MLA at this stage. Sandeep, if you can hear us, Take us, how does it take the case forward, one, and why is it that Ajit Pawar is speaking for Sunil Tingre and not the latter, who should be speaking for himself?
In the frame of Republic TV, we are giving you the live visuals from the Pune Police Crime Branch office. We give you the live visuals, the mother of the juvenile accused. The mother of the juvenile accused, the mother of the juvenile accused. Remember, the five to six women police officer, ACP level rank officers are there. They will be, in fact, confronted together. We give you the live visuals. Shivani Agarwal will be taken to the juvenile justice home. They will be taken to the juvenile justice home. And, in fact, the juvenile will be, in fact, confronted together with Shivani Agarwal. She will be confronted together. She will be confronted together with the minor accused. Remember, in the Pune Porsche case and the destruction of blood sample case, Shivani Agarwal was arrested by Pune Police Crime Branch early in the morning today. And Pune Police Pune Police Crime Branch suspect that there was a swapping of sample that was in fact done. And it was Shivani Agarwal's blood sample which was in fact swapped with the minor accused, and for the same reason now the juvenile will be, in fact, his statement would be recorded. His statement would be recorded out there. His statement would be recorded. We give you the live visuals from the Pune Police Crime Branch out here at the Unit 4. DCP Crime Branch Amol Zende is present out there. ACP Sunil Tambe is in the visuals of Republic TV. This is the swift car wherein Shivani Agarwal is present. Shivani Agarwal is present in the car and she will be taken to the juvenile justice home. Remember, after the committee was formed to probe the matter, to do an inquiry over the blood sample, it appeared that the blood samples were of a woman, and Pune Police Crime Branch suspect that it was supposedly of the mother of the juvenile. Sunny, if you could come here. Sunny, come here. Roll the camera from this angle. So Shivani Agarwal will be, in fact, taken to the juvenile justice home wherein she will be, in fact, confronted. She will be confronted with the juvenile. She will be confronted with the juvenile. Four teams of Pune Police Crime Branch are out here, and they are just moving out. They are moving out. They are moving out from Unit 4 of this Crime Branch office. We give you the live visuals. We give you the live visuals from the Unit 4 of Crime Branch. We give you the live visuals of the Unit 4 Crime Branch. Shivani Agarwal will be leaving for juvenile justice home, where the juvenile and the mother would be, in fact, confronted. 4 vehicles are leaving. Shivani Agarwal. So Shivani Agarwal has just left. Shivani Agarwal has just left. Will follow. So major action is being seen. Major action can be seen. She's being taken to juvenile justice home. Remember, the blood sample was swapped, and that is something that Pune Police Crime Branch will be verifying. Cross-questioning will take place at the juvenile justice home today, wherein the mother, the son, and a lawyer will also be present there. Proper confrontation would take place. We are continuously following this case. We are leading this case. And in fact, we give you the live visuals. We are just following. We are following Pune Police Crime Branch convoy. In fact, you see 4 to 5 vehicles have left from the Unit 4 of Pune Police Crime Branch. They are going to Yarwada, where juvenile justice home, and both of them, his statement, remember the juvenile statement in the tampering of evidences will be, in fact, recorded. It will be recorded as a prime witness. The juvenile statement would be recorded as a prime witness. We are giving you the live visuals from this very location.
All right, so Sandeep, getting us back-to-back leads, Guinea, it's killer Brat's mother, who is being taken to Juvenile Justice Board, Mother Shivani Agarwal, who is said to be confronted with the VVIP killer Brat by the crime branch, the Pune crime branch. This, as a crime branch suspects, Brat's blood samples were swapped with that of his mother. VVIP killer's mother arrested after the public had exposed the cover-up. All right, Ginny, let's quickly take another question from Sandeep, who continues to be with us. Sandeep, once again, going back to that news break, Ajit Pawar confirming that Sunil Tingre did visit the police station on the night of killing, on the night when two innocent lives were lost. The question here also being that where exactly is Sunil Tingre and why is he not speaking out?
Right. See, as far as Ajit Pawar's statement is concerned, Samiksha, he clearly denies the fact that, there was any involvement of Sunil Tingre. He mentions that, Sunil Tingre was is one of the public representative, and there's no issue he going out there. And ultimately, he's denying all the allegations against, Sunil Tingre and his MLA. He denies his alleged role over the manipulation of this very matter. So you can understand there is a clear pressure on Ajit Pawar at this point in time, and for the same reason he's trying to save his MLA, trying to cover up. And in fact, remember, Pune Police Commissioner had also clarified with the fact that he had a conversation. So what was the conversation all about? Why didn't he answer that? So these are the questions that needs to be answered. We'll be back on this story live and breaking. Stay tuned to